In the last episode, we did a fire test. Some of you asked, can you make an episode about drop-resistant lithium batteries? So today, we'll use the lithium battery from the last session. Today's battery. It is used for golf carts. Now, we're driving this car. Go to our laboratory site. We have already installed this experimental battery in the car. Start disassembling the battery now. Take the seat off first. Okay, this battery has already been removed. The following experiment. Hands-on operation. Carry out this drop test. If you think it's enough, leave a 1 in the comments. This drop test, it ends here.
Is that it? Then you go even harder.
No problem. Arrangements will meet your needs. We test. Continue. In order to showcase this new Thule battery, how stable is it really? We'll do it right now. Put this battery back into the car. Let's see if it can still start. Go. Now, we put this battery back into the car. Let's see if it can still start. Now turn on the switch. Power on is normal. Battery is powering normally. This drop test, it ends here. If you want to see anything else, welcome to leave a comment. See you next time.